In this video, I'll show you how to chat with Amazon customer service in a simple and easy way. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. After logging in, you'll see your orders and account details. Next, move your cursor to the Account and List section in the top right corner and click on Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage your Amazon profile. From there, find the Customer Service option and click on it. This will open Amazon's support page. Here, you'll see different categories like your orders, returns, or Prime membership. If your issue doesn't fit into any of those options, just select something else. Then choose I need help with something else. This lets Amazon know you need more specific help. After that, you'll be taken to a screen where you can connect with an Amazon representative. Once the chat window opens, simply type your message and explain your issue. A support agent will join the chat shortly and guide you step by step. Alternatively, you can also use the Rufus button on the Amazon homepage. This opens Amazon's AI assistant, where you can quickly type your question and get help right away. And that's it! That's how you can chat with Amazon customer service. Thanks for watching.